Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily delete your PayPal account. So to start, please go to www.paypal.com and then please sign in your account. Type the email associated with your account and your password into the labeled fields and click on Login. Next is to click the gear icon. You'll find this gear icon in the upper right corner of the window. Next is to click the account tab. It's in the menu that runs horizontally across the top of your window next to security, payments, and notifications. Now here is the final step. Click close your account. It's under the account options section. So once you click that, you need to enter your bank account number if it's prompted. So if you don't have an attached bank account, you won't be asked for this and can skip this step. After that, you will be prompted and asked if are you sure you want to close your account. Now all you have to do now is to click close account, and then your PayPal account will be closed and you'll get an email confirmation of the action. Once closed, a PayPal account can be reopened. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to delete PayPal account. Sometimes making changes like this can feel liberating. Just remember, technology is meant to empower us, so take control of it in ways that work best for you. See you on my next video.